Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app, and in this video I will show you on how to combine two video or multiple video in TikTok app without having any editing app, with just TikTok inbuilt editor. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you tap on this particular plus sign right here. The next thing you want to do is to choose to record. Maybe you can record 10 minutes, 60 seconds, 15 seconds, as the case may be. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead with this 60 seconds right here. So go ahead and make sure you record your first video. That. Now the next thing you want to do right here is that you have already done with your recording, but before you post this one here, you can add additional video. And for that, what you need to do right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here. That's going to take you right here. Okay, now let's play the video. Just like so. Now if you want to add additional video to this particular video right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. And then from here in your phone gallery, you can select as many as possible video or photo. If you want to add video, go ahead and click on the video sections right here. Then let's say, for instance, I want to add this one and this video. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and select the first one, select the second one, and hit on confirm. Now we have the two video right here in my TikTok right here, just like what you see right here. The two videos have been combined. Now we can decide to delete the first recording video. Select on the video, then go ahead and click on trash bin. Now we have these two videos now being successfully combined, just like so. Now you can see the first video and the second video. It's that simple. Once you are done, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this check mark right here. Now you are ready to post. Go ahead and enter your title or what have you. Combine video. Then when you are done, go ahead and hit on post right here. Go ahead and click on confirm usage music and post. Now you can see the video has been combining and it started uploading to my account. After a successful upload, then you can go ahead and click on your profile icon. When you click on your profile icon, then you go to see the video. You can see video uploaded to TikTok. Now you have the video in your TikTok profile. So go back right here. Now you have the video in your TikTok profile. So let's go ahead and play the video. Just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.